In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change mileage rate in Expensify. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to update your mileage reimbursement so your reports stay accurate and compliant with your company policy or the latest IRS guidance. First, open Expensify and look to the left-hand navigation menu. Click Workspaces. This is where all your policies and shared settings live. If you manage more than one workspace, you'll see them listed here. Next, select the specific workspace you want to edit. Make sure you're choosing the workspace that your team actually uses for mileage reimbursements. If you don't have the right permissions, you may need an admin to grant you access before you can make changes. Now let's ensure the distance feature is available. If you don't immediately see distance or mileage settings in the workspace, click More Features and toggle on Distance Rates. Turning this on exposes the area where mileage rates are managed. Only users with admin privileges can enable or disable features, so double-check your role if the toggle is grayed out. With the feature active, go to the left menu inside the workspace and click Distance Rates. Here you'll see any existing rates that are currently in use. To update a rate that's already in place, click on the rate you want to change, then click the value field. Enter the new amount, such as 0.70 if you're aligning with the 2025 IRS rate, and click Save. That's it, your new mileage rate is now set. This update will apply to mileage calculated after the change. Historical expenses and reports typically remain tied to their original rate, which helps preserve accurate records. If you prefer to keep the old rate for historical visibility and create a brand new one going forward, click Add Rate in the top right. Give it a clear name, set the new value, and save. Creating a new rate is a great way to maintain a clean audit trail while transitioning to updated reimbursement amounts. A few tips as you wrap up. Verify that your mileage unit settings match your policy, especially if your team tracks kilometers instead of miles. Confirm the currency is correct for your region. And communicate the change to your team so cardholders and approvers know what to expect on upcoming reports. That's the full process to change the mileage rate in Expensify. Open Workspaces, pick your workspace, enable distance rates if needed, then edit the existing rate or add a new one and save. Thanks for watching, and feel free to revisit these steps anytime you need to update rates in the future.